Hi all, welcome to my channel. This is my very first time creating anything like this, so please bear with me. But anyway, just bought an DJI Air 2S, and this is my first attempt at recording active track. So it was a bit of a trial. Um, I had it set quite close to me because we go under some power wires up here, and the main reason I wore the orange jacket was so I thought it might help it track me, as I'm not real confident with it yet. um, we do go around quite a few trees, so it seems to do everything it's meant to do, which is very nice. As you can see here, these are the power lines that I was hoping to go under. That's why I'm looking back, thinking, please go under. This is quite a steep grade up this hill, so I wasn't sure how the drone was going to handle this, but it just went up the hill and increased its altitude as I increased mine, so worked perfectly. It gets a little bit tight through here with trees on the left and the right. It does seem to dodge the trees quite well, which is what it's supposed to do. So yeah, very happy with how it's performing. I was a bit worried here when I was turning around. The drone backed up into the trees and got very close. You can't really see it because it's behind, but that's why I'm looking up with a bit of concern. Once again, the Air 2S follows me down through here without a drama. Seems to pause occasionally when it thinks I've stopped, but does a really good job of avoiding the trees. Once again, we go under these power lines down here, so I took my time and looked back to make sure the altitude had stayed the same, but yep, all good. I do a few tight circles here just to see how the drone's going to react, and it just kept following me like you would expect. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye.